Hey, I'm Rolo from Matthews Landscape, and today we're doing a Christmas install. And these are the few easy steps to what we do here when we get here at the first job. First, my guys get the materials off their truck. They grab their tablet, and our tablet, we have the maps for each house that we do. So it's easier for us to install, so it wouldn't be a headache. The guys look at the map and they find the power source. And from the power source, the guys find it, they look at the map and they start. You don't have to be home. They put the lights up. We do no damage to your roof. Like you see it right now, they're getting their ladders ready. They're harnessed. You know, safety's biggest concern of ours. Just give us a call if you have any questions, any problems. It's easy. Thank you. What else? I went blank. I went blank. I was going good at first too.